Hello, my name is Kyle Barker and I'm making this video to show off my galvanized capstone project, Bandi. Bandi is a mobile application used to join musicians of similar musical interests to meet in person and basically make music together. It's essentially a dating app without the intention of dating but creating music. The technologies that I used to create this were React Native, React Redux, React Navigation, React Native Elements, React Native Gifted Chat, Axios, Express, PostgreSQL, and Connects.js. So to dive right into it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into our screen. This is going to be what you're greeted with when you open the app. So I'm going to log in here. And so the first thing that it's going to do is that it's going to basically bring up a screen of all the profiles that are in your area based on your location. So let's say if you like this profile, you could swipe to the right, you could swipe to the left if you don't like profiles, and so on and so forth. And what that's going to be able to do is once you swipe right with the person, that's going to basically enable it where you are able to chat. Currently, I don't have requests to the people, but that would be something that would be the next step in this application. But just to kind of show it off, the main function that I wanted to get across here was the chat functionality. So as you can see, I added those 3 profiles, and then also if I go to this user profile, you could see the profile that I created for myself. But let's say I wanted to chat with this person right here. Hi, I'm looking for a bassist. Let's jam. I could send that. So now if I were to go and sign into Megan's profile, I'm going to now go log in. I go to the messages. They're going to see that that message just automatically went into her messages, and when I click on it, you could see that my message just went to her. So now I could type something back like slow down a bit. Let's talk first. So I could send that off, and then that just creates that dialogue. But let's say we wanted to edit the search. I'm going to be moving. What I could end up doing is type in something new here. Like if I'm going to my hometown of Elgin, Illinois, I'm going to submit that new criteria. And then when you go over back to the search, or the Bandi page as I call it, you're going to be getting some new people that are only from that location. So the main reason why I wanted to make this application is because I've moved around quite a bit, most notably around Illinois and all over Arizona. And being a guitar player, that can be kind of rough as far as like meeting people to play with, starting a band, things of that nature. And with the shift in the dating world, it just seemed like, okay, well, I could kind of take that approach and apply it to my problem. So like I said, the main feature addition that I want to add is that request feature, but then there are other things such as like uploading images. So on the profile, we could have like a really nice image of either the person or their gear. I would also like message notifications, so the person actually knows like where a message is coming from or when to look. Adding a few more profile fields, and then also it would be really nice if there was like a the ability to add some of the person's music to their profile as well, if they want to kind of show that off to make themselves a little bit more marketable. So from there, that's pretty much my app. And then the only other thing I guess I have is just like a create a profile. So I'll go through that really quickly. So create an account, that just brings you to a form right here. And then that you also have the ability to select instruments. That was surprisingly a challenging part, was to get this instrument list working, because I wanted to originally make it where you could sort by instruments. But given the time frame that we had of 2 weeks, this is pretty much what I was able to get done in that time frame. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions for myself, leave me a comment. Thanks.